In this video, you will learn how to use ChatGPT for Redbubble keyword research. So let's get into it. In order to use ChatGPT for Redbubble keyword research, we first have to give ChatGPT a prompt to get the niches and sub-niches for a Redbubble store. As you can see, I have given a prompt to get top 5 Redbubble niches and sub-niches. So as you can see from the reply of ChatGPT, ChatGPT has given us 5 niches and their sub-niches. For example, we choose a sub-niche wildlife. Now we have to get more sub-niches on the topic of wildlife. So we give the prompt to ChatGPT to give the sub-niches of wildlife. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us different sub-niches on the topic wildlife. Now we choose a sub-niche from the wildlife sub-niches. For example, if we choose polar bears, then we have to get in-depth sub-niches regarding polar bears. So we give a prompt to ChatGPT to give the sub-niches on the topic of polar bears. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us so many sub-niches regarding polar bears. So for example, if we select the sub-niche polar bear coats, so now in order to create the designs, we need some short codes regarding polar bears. So we asked ChatGPT to give us 10 short codes regarding polar bears. Now ChatGPT has given us 10 short codes which are related to polar bears. We can use these codes to make our designs for our print on demand store.